Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to find iodine in salt. The easiest way to determine if your salt contains iodine is to check the product label. Most common table salts sold in grocery stores are iodized, meaning iodine has been added. However, many specialty salts, like sea salt or Himalayan pink salt, typically do not include this fortification. Always read the ingredient list carefully to be sure. Iodine is a crucial micronutrient vital for proper thyroid function, which regulates metabolism and growth. A lack of sufficient iodine can lead to various health problems, including goiter, a swelling of the thyroid gland. Fortifying salt with iodine has been a highly effective public health measure globally, significantly reducing iodine deficiency disorders in many populations. It's a simple way to ensure adequate intake. If you want to confirm iodine presence at home, a simple starch test can be done. Cut a potato in half and place a small pinch of salt directly onto the exposed surface. Then, add a few drops of an acidic liquid, like lemon juice or vinegar, onto the salt. If the salt contains iodine, you should observe a distinct blue or purple coloration appearing within minutes. This reaction confirms the iodine's presence. The amount of iodine in iodized salt can vary, but it generally provides about 45 to 75 micrograms of iodine per gram of salt. This amount helps meet daily nutritional needs for most adults. Remember, a balanced diet is key for overall health. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.